This is a plant called Alternanthera sessilis. It has the small round flowers, and in Sanskrit it's called Matsyakshi or something. That is that that flower looks like a fish's eye, round and all. And then this one is a very hardy and easy to grow culinary herb. It's cultivated worldwide, and people studied these tribal diets and all. They found almost everyone used to eat this about one generation back. It's a small herb with soft leaves, and the whole stem and everything is edible. And I did some trials on how to grow it as a balcony plant. And I found this method works well. That is, you take a pot without a hole in it, and then you can fill it up to 90% or 95% with water. This is a plant that grows in paddy field sides and all as a weed. So that paddy field situation it likes. 1 inch water you can grow, and then you can vary it. Sometimes you can allow the water to dry up a little bit, and sometimes you can add little water. So to maintain about once in 15 days, you can add some water to it and allow it to evaporate slowly. And little fertilizer can be added to that water itself. And if you want less water also, you can just drain out the water. It can do well without that much water also, like this. And or if you have mosquito problem and all, you can drain it completely and allow shouldn't dry out, that's all, so that these leaves can be fresh and nice. And if you put 1 or 2 cuttings in it and spread it out, it will grow nicely like this. And once in about 10 days, you can take a scissor and chop all that, and harvest it and have it. So it can be easily grown with, if there is some 1 or 2 hours of sunlight, and in a balcony or a window also it's all right. You can grow it in on a high-rise apartment. It's very easy. And if it needs some fertilizer, you can add little cow dung or some organic material or something. You can add a bit. That's enough. If there is a more nutritious this thing, it will be fresh and green and nice like this. And you can get some 1 or 2 handful every week. It's full of vitamins and minerals and fiber and everything. And it can be added to this dal and almost any dish you can add a little bit. You can make chutney and all. And after you harvested, new shoots will come. That's all. It's very simple. And it's a nice plant and good, easy, nice thing that everyone can grow in their little spaces and enjoy.